Weber, we care.
Well, the concept is 12 lodges designed in a crescent shape, overlooking the communal gardens in the centre, and then beyond that the view over St Ives Bay. This project is in one of the most exposed environments in the British Isles. We get the full force of the Atlantic gales here, so that was a big constraint when we were designing the lodges. Also, we're in a wooded location. We've got the Tregenna woodland around the perimeter, so that could create algae growth. So we needed a render system that would withstand the elements and that would not give us a maintenance problem in the future in terms of mould growth. We looked at the technical specification for the Weber system, and that seemed to tick all the right boxes. We initially looked at different colours for the render, but we decided that the white looked so crisp that we thought we would stick with it. It just looks so good, and it creates a nice contrast between the dark slate roof and the medium tone of the timber, and then the very white walls. That gives us the contrast and creates very smart, slick-looking buildings.
We specified this system for these houses because the proximity to the sea and the weather defencing from the MT118 system. The main advantage we're using a silicone finish is you can have it in basically any colour, and being a silicone render is easier for the maintenance side, and especially within a mile of the coast.
Well, the first lodge was built 4 years ago, and it still looks absolutely brilliant today. In fact, the render looks as good now as it did when it was first applied, so I think the proof's in the pudding.
Weber, we care.